This video is really to be too much helpful for you because here I am to explain you all the available styles like character style, paragraph style, object style, etc. with live example in Adobe InDesign. So once let you watch this complete video, you will get absolutely clear regarding all the styles and got more comfortable using creating any type of style in Adobe InDesign. So now let's get started without delay.
Hi guys, welcome to Lee Graphics.
So first of all we have character style. Now what is character style? Character style refers to the single characters, words to define character styles. So one of the biggest reason is defining character styles is required to use whether you go to define variables, listing, drop cap, nested style, everywhere you can find the option of character style from where you can apply the character formatting easily. So let's we know how we can define. So there are two ways defining any type of style. Number one, you can format your character as you require and you can save that style for using in other characters. For instance, I want to define a character style for bold. So simply I will select the content in which I want to define. So for each thing like a bold, colors, superscript, subscript, you can define different style per your requirement. So I want to save this bold style, so simply I will click on it and go on character styles. If you do not find the character panel here, simply you click on Windows and here you can find option of styles and character styles. Now you can see here character panel has been come. Now here you can define the style and save it. Simply you have to select that content or just click on that content and simply you have to click on create new style and select that style and what formatting and what we want to rename it you can do. Correct. Now what is benefit of it? I have to apply bold style anywhere in our character, anywhere in our paragraph. Simply I will select that, so we do not have to go manually doing this thing. Simply I will select the content which I want bold and click on bold. Now you can see bold style has been applied. So it will save our time and make proper consistency while working in long text and multiple pages. Now another way is simply you can create your style then apply on your characters where you require. For instance, I have to create an superscript style for our numbers. I will create new. I will just select superscript. You can also use the different types of font faces, size for this style. And here you can also find advanced character option like horizontal scale, vertical scale, baseline shape. So these all also you can define and save and use where you require. And character colors, if you want any specific color, so you can choose from here. Okay, so it's totally up to you. And here you can also see many options available, so you can try and use. You can create different and separate style for each formatting. Click on OK, and once you will click on your superscript, you can see here all the defined style has been applied on that particular numbers. So hope you got to understand how defining character style. So let's move on paragraph style. Now what is paragraph style? Paragraph style is simply we define for a full paragraph, like where our sentence got completed. So this is also too much important, and you can also find this option when you will go to define cell style, object style, table style, so on. So there also you can use this character style for the contents. So let's we know how we can define paragraph style. So for paragraph style you can also find the this option with character style which shortcut is F11. For creating style, simply click on create new style. So for each type of elements like box, paragraph style, listing, headings, H1, H2, so for each and everything you can define separate style. So all the formatting we do not have to put in one style only. For each and everything we can define separate style and we can use it. So once you have renamed, right click and edit body text. So here you can define different type of style for as per your requirement. So this is our related to content, related to paragraphs. So simply I will define some styles from here as we required. So I will define like Times New Roman I will keep, and for instance I will keep it regular, and I will keep size 12 pt, as well as if you want any specific color, so you can also do the color from here. So here is also another option is available for defining style. So for that we can create different style for those things. Like here you can find the bullet and numbering, grep style, drop caps, span column, justification. A lot of things is available for what you can create separate style and use where you required. Okay, so once you have done all the things, click OK. Now body text style has been created. So simply you have to select your content. I just click on your content and apply your body. So now you can see all the defined style in body text has been reflected on your paragraph. This is really too much wonderful, and it will definitely save our time. Now whatever we have defined here, if I will go on another paragraph, so we do not do it manually and define it again. Simply I will click on our next paragraph and apply the style. You can see here just we have to click and apply the style. Our style has been applied. And you can also use Ctrl Enter and search the style from here and apply something like this. Hope you got understand how paragraph style is exactly work. Similarly, you can define the style for your headings and for listing, for any type of specific elements, box, etc. So let's say we define any style for introduction for our headings. Simply I will click here style and right click, edit paragraph. And if you want shades or rules, so you can also do the options here that you can manage and change the setting as per your requirement. Okay, so for instance this is done, so click on OK. Now these all style has been saved in H1. From here if you do any change manually here, so you will notice here has been come plus. That means there are something has been updated, there are something got changed in current style. So if you are okay with it, so you can simply have to click right and redefine style. That means all the changes got also updated in defined style. So this is really too much wonderful when you will work on long text and multiple pages, and if you do any specific change in your style, so all over the document where that style will be applied got changed automatically, and it will definitely save our time. We do not have to go each and every element have and change the style accordingly. So it was something about paragraph style. Hope you got understand how to define paragraph style. Alright, so similarly here is also we have two options defining object style. So what I will for object style you have to click here Windows styles, object style. The shortcut is Ctrl F7. That also you can use for object style panel. Once you find it, click on it, and here you can find the option of new object style. You have to simply click on it, and you can see here object style 1 got created. Now I will click on it, edit object style. Oh, that's really too much heavy. Here you can find all the properties related to object that you can define and save, which you can use frequently or all the documents where you require. So let's see how we can define and save the object style in Adobe InDesign. So also you can create different type of separate object style based on your requirement, and you can use it later on different type of object as per your need. So just in this object style I will simply define and save a color along with shadow. So let's see, here we can find the shadow option, and I want to fill up color. I have done, click OK. Now this style has been created. Now you can also rename it as per your need for shape. Okay, just select the object in which you want to apply this style and currently it's none. Once you will click on it for shape, you can see here all the defined style has been reflected on your selected object. That's really cool. And similarly, how many objects you have, how many shape you have in which you want to apply, simply you have to select all that and click on this object style. So this is something amazing and which save our time and make proper consistency over all the document shape and object. Similarly, one more style I will define in which I will create shadow along with stroke. For instance, this is image we have. I will keep it selected. Here image. Here the three properties of object style I will apply. Number 1, stroke color, and number 2 is shadow, and also I will use text warp here. So let's see how can we do. I will keep selected it by whom we can see here live how these all properties reflect in our object. Now you can see here how it's coming in our live images. Next, I will do text warp. Simply I will come here. Here you can find the text warp option. So I will simply apply here jump object. Now you can see warp has been added around your image. Applying warp will define. Applying warp ensure there are not any type of content or character will come behind the object, will hide behind the object. Once you have done everything, just you have to click OK. Now as you can see, this style has been defined. Similarly, you have another image. So these all settings we do not have to do on that image again. We can just select that image and apply this style, and quickly all the defined style will be reflected on that particular image. As you applied image style as you have created, so you can see here how it's looking. It's really amazing and it saves our time. It will be really too much useful for you when you will going to work on huge text, on long text and multiple type of images, boxes, shapes. So make sure you can use object style. Next we have cell style. Now what is cell style? From here we can format, we save the style of our table cells and use it again and again where we require. So let's see how can we do. For cell style, simply go on window, click here styles and cell styles. So there are currently no cell styles. I will click on create new style and cell style 1. You can also rename it what you want and right click edit. Here are some properties and option of cell styles that you can use it. First is cell insert. Cell insert, it's a spacing around the cells content. So you can generate space from here as you require. And next we have graphics. So if you have graphics in your cells, so you can also, that means spaces around your graphics you can insert from here how many you want. And next we have stroke. How you want your stroke you can set from here. How you want your gap color you can select from here as you require. And here you can fill out your cell color. Once you have done all the style, and here one more option we have line stroke. How you want your line stroke, so that you can define from here as you required. This is something line, it's the country no diagonal lines. If you want lines, so you can select from here, click on OK. Now one cell style has been created. So how I will apply it? For applying, simply you have to select your whole table. For selecting whole table, you have to click text type tool and come on the corner of your table, and once this icon has been created, click on this. Now your complete table got selected. Currently it's none. Once you will apply cell style, all the styles, all the character style will be reflect on your table as you can see here. Even though you can also manage and change the style as you require later. Simply I will click here and edit cell style, and now I will reduce the inset. As you can see live how it's coming, and here fill color is too much brighter, so I will also reduce the tint of this color. Then I will click OK. Now you can see here all the settings has been updated in our cell styles. Now once you have defined this style, so no matter how many tables you have, you can apply this exact style everywhere, and it will save your time doing your self formatting again and again. Once I will define a table style, you can find here table style, define table style, simply click on create new style, edit, and here you can rename and table setup how you want. And row stroke, how we want your row stroke. Once you have done all this setting, click OK. Now your table style has been done. Now you have selected your table for applying that style and click on table. Now you can see all the defined style has been applied. So this is something randomly I try to make you understand how exactly styles work in Adobe InDesign. Hope you enjoyed this video and also understand. So please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.